Now dear student, we are going to discuss question number 3.21, and in this question we have to determine the current drawn from a 12 volt supply with internal resistance of 0.5 ohm by the infinite network as shown in figure. Clear? Each resistor has 1 ohm resistance. Clear? So my dear student, this is a question related to infinite network. How can we solve infinite network problem whenever you find in a combination of resistance? Actually, first of all, your objective should to recognize the repetitive branch. Clear? So we can say, if you concentrate on this screen, you can say this is 1 ohm resistance, 1 ohm, and this is 1 ohm. Clear? From here we can say this circuit is repeating itself. Clear? So I can say, let's suppose I am drawing like this. This is 1 ohm resistor. Clear? I can say this is again 1 ohm resistor. Clear? And this one is again 1 ohm resistor. Clear? I am connecting here a battery, or you can say cell. Clear? This is 12 volt battery and having internal resistance 0.5 ohm. Clear? So this is value of 0.5 ohm. Clear? Now we can say, let's suppose if I remove all the networks and here I am placing an equivalent resistance. Clear? And let's suppose that equivalent resistance we have, let's suppose that is capital X. Clear to you? Now you can say in this question, this X and 1, it is connected in a parallel. So how can we find equivalent resistance? We can write like this. This is X divided by X plus 1. Yes or no? R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2, I can write like this. After that you can say 1 and 1 and this resistance all are connected in a series. So how can we write? Actually we can write like this. R equivalent, this is given by 1 plus X upon X plus 1 plus 1. Clear? And we can write this is 2. So 2 plus X upon X plus 1. Clear? So this is value of equivalent resistance. So if you take here LCM, you can say twice X plus 2 plus X over X plus 1. Clear? So from here we can say this is equal to 3X plus 2 divided by X plus 1. Clear? So we can say this is value of R equivalent. Clear? R equivalent we have 3X plus 2 upon X plus 1. Clear? Okay. Now we can say we can connect here. If we remove all the resistance, I can write like this. I can connect like this. Here we have a resistance and this value is given to you 3X plus 2 and divided by X plus 1. Clear? Now in this question it is value given to you. Value of X we have 1 ohm resistance. Yes or no? Each resistor has 1 ohm resistance. Clear? So now we can write like this one. Clear? So now we can say each resistor is having value 1 ohm resistance. So how can we solve it? Actually we can solve like this. This is the R equivalent. Yes or no? And we can say definitely this value, it should be also equal to value of X. Yes or no? So what I am saying to you, here we calculated R equivalent and this R equivalent, it should be equal to capital X. Yes or no? So I can write like this. 3X plus 2 divided by X plus 1 and it should be equal to X. Clear? So now if you cross multiply, you can say we can write like this. This is X square plus X. Clear? So I can write like this. X square, we can say minus 2X. This is minus 2 and it should be equal to 0. Clear? So if I say value of X we can say this is 2 plus minus under root of minus 2 square minus 4, this is 1 and this is minus 2. Clear? And it is divided by, we can say this is 2 and this is 1. Clear? So now we can say value of X. Value of X, this is given by 2 plus minus under root of, we can say 4, we can say minus 4 minus 2, this is plus 8 and divided by, we can say 2. Clear? This is equal to what? Under root of 12. We can write this is 3 multiply 4, 2, it may come out from square root. So we can say this is 2 under root of 3 divided by 2. So from here you can say 1 plus minus under root of 3 ohm. Yes or no? So value of X, this is given by 1 plus minus under root of 3 ohm. Clear to everyone? Yes or no? Yes. Now we can say, if we take here minus sign, then you can say 1 minus under root 3, we have 1.73, so negative resistance does not exist. So actual value of x we are getting in this question, this is x equal to 1 plus under root of 3. Clear? This is 1 plus 1.73. So from here you can say this is 2.73 ohm. Clear? Now what is my objective in this question? My objective in this question is to calculate value of, we can say, current that is flowing. Clear? So I can say resistor that I am getting here 2.73. Clear? Now let's suppose current that is flowing in a circuit, this is I. Clear? So I can say value of I, this is given by total potential, we can say this is 12. Clear? And total resistance in a network 2.73 plus 0.5. Clear? So from here we can say this is 12 divided by, we can say this is 3.23. Clear? 3.23. Clear? So 12 divided by 3.23, this is equal to, clear, approximately you can say this is, let's suppose we have only 3, so 12 divided by 3, this is 4, so definitely the value will be less than 4. Yes or no? So we are getting here answer, and this answer actually we will get here answer, this is approximately 3 point something. Clear? And this value will be 3.713 ampere. Clear to everyone? You can calculate easily. Approximately if you take 12 divided by 3, this is 4. Clear? And there is a value more than 3, it means we will get value that is less than 4. Clear? So correct answer we have 3.713 ampere. So what is the concept in this question? This is a problem related to infinite network. In infinite network, first we find the repetitive branch. At that point we connect equivalent resistance. After that we find here value of x. After that you can easily calculate value of current that is flowing in a circuit. Clear to everyone? So this is all about this question.